Wordsmiths! Good news and bad news. The good news is that I have some words to teach you. The bad news is that I locked myself out of the house. I can see the keys through the window. They're on a bench by the door. This is an unfamiliar situation, but I feel like together, you and I can come up with a halfway decent strategy to help me get inside. And those are our words for today. Unfamiliar and strategy. We're going to go over the words together, use them in some sentences, and then maybe come up with a way to convince my dog to put my keys through the mail slot of my front door. Unfamiliar. Unfamiliar. It's an adjective. It means not known or recognized by you. You might see the word familiar in there, right? And if you speak Spanish, you might also see familia, family in English. And so a familiar thing is really well known to you, as though it were a member of your family or a thing in your home. The prefix un, the word part that goes on the front of that word, means not or opposite. You're happy. Then someone pours a bucket of nacho cheese down the back of your shirt. You are now unhappy. Familiar, beloved, recognizable, known to you. Unfamiliar, strange, unrecognizable, not known to you. A very useful little word part. Strategy. Strategy. It's a noun. It means a plan that helps you do something. So I'm trying to come up with a strategy to get back inside my house. You'll also see the verb form strategize, which means to come up with a plan that helps you do something. Let's use these words in some sentences. The unfamiliar landscape spread out for miles before Amelia. Where was she? When was she? She doesn't recognize where she is. I imagine because of the giant eggs and the distant T-Rex, she thinks she might be in the age of the dinosaurs. That would make the world pretty unfamiliar to me. Next one. Raj had a great strategy for catching tuna. He went fishing at the grocery store. This is pretty undeniably a good plan to help you catch fish. What's the thing he wants to do? Get tuna fish. How does he do it? Catching cans. That's the plan. That's his strategy. That's how he strategized. And I think my strategy for getting Franny the dog to hand me my keys through the mail slot will involve going to the store to get some liver sausage. Okay. Yep, that's my plan. I'll see you in the next one, wordsmiths. Until then, you can learn anything. David out.